The law and order in Goa has completely collapsed, and this law and order collapse is a failure of the administration, the police and the intelligence. 1 week back, we had a situation in Margao where a gang of about 7 to 8 people assaulted 3 people. And that was a brutal assault. It is very sad to have learnt that these situations are happening, making citizens insecure and putting lives of innocent persons at risk. I can warn you, as the SP of South Goa has said that this appears to be a result of a gang war, it confirms my apprehensions that gang wars will surface under this BJP regime, because you will see that many of the gundas, many goons are being protected by the BJP. Many of the goons are getting direct or indirect protection, and this is ruining honest, effective policing and also solving of crime. Today's incident of a person having been shot at Madkai in Ponda comes as no surprise, because if you remember last year, there was another person who was shot in Betora, also in Ponda. And these incidents show that people are in possession of weapons, firearms, and they are using it like toys to assault or attack people. The reasons can be many. One can be innocent use, one can be rage out of anger, others can be a deep-rooted enmity. It can be also a previous case which simmered and the assailant was waiting for a chance to knock off his rival. But this appears to be the opening act of what we are about to see, further collapse of the law and order in Goa. The Chief Minister, being the Home Minister, has to wake up and make sure that he gives time to review the law and order situation in Goa. Haul up the police officers, not simply at the highest rung, but also right down at the bottom where the rot comes from. If you have politically aligned policemen, if you have corrupt policemen in the force, this is what is going to happen. The beautiful and peaceful Goa, the image of Goa will all be shattered. Goa will be finished. You want good governance? Is this good governance which the BJP is bringing? All the promises, all the assurances, complete lies, and this is complete disaster for the state. It will also affect tourism and affect the day-to-day lives of each and every individual. Time to boot out the BJP from the government.